Fede.
Representing.
Oh, Fede.
Representing Team
What's up?
Spud World.
Fede. Away, boys. Sure. What's up, guys? This is your boy Ngubi the Entertainer. And today I'm paying a visit to Homie's workshop. Yeah, Homie's workshop. He'll be showing us what he does each and every day when he's working on cars. And yeah, I'm just gonna make sure that I expose all these workshops around my place. So I visit each and every workshop. I don't play. If you're having a workshop, I'll pass by, because it's my life. I really enjoy it. I enjoy visiting other workshops. Actually, I enjoy seeing what other people do to cars around them. Yeah, most of all, I'm learning. So back then I couldn't tell the difference between a normal tire, a low profile tire, and a stretch rim. You understand? A stretch tire put on this, and the J's between rims. I didn't know what that was, but then right now I've advanced and I know this and that. I know a couple of things about cars, and the main aim is to learn. So today I'm gonna visit Homie's workshop. It's right here next to Seshoho police station. It's there. So I'm wait to show you what I'll be seeing that side and whatever they'll be working. I am really ready to experience anything. Okay, I think I'm gonna turn here. I think I've arrived at the place. Yeah, it's here. Out here. Yes. So yeah, this is the place. I managed to advance to get to this place. Woo! My car took a beating. Away. My car took a beating. Yeah, my car took a very serious beating. But it's fine. So yeah, if you check there, it's written Homie's Auto Service Center. Alright. Let's go straight inside and see the gents. Let's go. Eh? Okay, today, so this is the place. There, it's the Seshoho Stadium. I mean, Seshoho Stadium is there, and that is Gwango Ramatlodi, and that is the police station, and this is Homie's Toy and Services. Let's go straight inside and see what they have this side. All right. I think you always see this car in the videos. It's the third time it appears, if not the fourth. Oh, okay. Hey, Mbulazi. Urenga choose. Dinsa. Busy na. Busy guy. Oh, idile kwena. Hey guys, this guy, he means that he's the professional mechanical, actually everything. Yeah, we both feel locally. He pushed it into this place, so right now it's gonna leave driving. Oh, okay. So I'm to towing and everything. So you must tell them everything.
Engineering, everything ready.
Sure. Oh, okay, so they must call that number there they've seen when I was entering there. Yeah, all right. 24 hours. Oh, this is Homie Town. That's why it's written Homie that side.
Yeah.
Okay, bro, how's it? Chesa. Okay. Let's see what what's going on. This side is just cars. Yeah, maponya mo. Uamu. Ugas chabo, o chaba futane. Yeah, it's bad. Away. Emanya, namona kasa enjoy a play game. Ki matho magiba mo ki mo country. You guys trying to disturb me. Wants me to leave this place. So, yeah, if you want any help with automobiles, there's a number you need to dial up there. Okay, let's go check out what they do at this place. It's written Homies Auto Service and Towing. The services are engine overhauls and major service, diagnostic services and minor service, clutch kit and brakes, gearboxes, suspensions, technical projects, turbo and injectors, and towing for 24 hours. I mean, anytime you can just call them and they'll pull up. Right now, I'm gonna give you the numbers to call. They're 082-299-3132, and alternatively you can just call 071-443-1026 or email hometown@gmail.com. And yeah, that is it. You'll get all the help you need. Buffett. Seshego is really growing in this department of cars and building them, doing all these things. So you can come to Seshego anytime. I'm telling you right now, I can guarantee you that you will not leave with your car broken. If you come to this place, if you just come to Seshego, there are a lot of people I can refer you to who are really mechanics and they work on cars, make sure the cars are let's share. They should be selling it. I mean, if yo guys, it's looking pretty clean. It's looking pretty clean. Who wants it? Oh, who wants it? Who wants it? I'm kidding. I don't know if they sell it, but they'll tell me. But in this world, everything has a price. I believe everything has a price. And what is it? I want to see what's written. I see a 3, I see 2, 5. It's a 325. But it's an automatic, I think. Are they building it? Are they still working on it? Or are they just having it as one of those cars you just happen to have? The bumper is a small bumper. You've seen this in many episodes. This one, it always supports all the events around Seshego. This kite, it's always there. What else can I show you? What else can I show you? Ooh. Listen to that. Listen to the sound of that. I think this is a towing V8 towing car. 24/7. I think this is the car they used to pull cars this side. This is the towing right. They're towing. Hey, the guy who was fixing that truck, don't forget him. He's the one who made sure that that truck is fine. Oh, okay. Mr. NJ. So yeah, I don't know other cars and I don't know their story, so this is my first time here. I'm still gonna chill and get to talk to them. After that we will know which car to go on and which car to talk about. You understand? So yeah, it's the way it goes. There's a complete engine on the ground. A complete engine on the ground. One thing I'm gonna follow up, it's this Audi. I'm gonna follow up this Audi until it's good to go. I'm gonna follow it up. I'm gonna update you with the build. Remember that you saw it this way and with the engine down like that. And right now I'm gonna follow it up until we complete the build. Now let's go enjoy and have some fun with it. I'm gonna update you very soon with something. There's one thing I need to show you. I think they said this bus, this microbus, they're upgrading it. They wanna remove these lights, put those ones. What's the difference, guys? I can't see the difference. They say they're removing this and putting those ones. Oh, those ones are a little bit shiny. I don't know. Check the pipe. This pipe is very big. It's very huge. This pipe is huge. It's like this big. It's really big. It's really, really big. But what I really promise you, it's that Audi, that A5. I want to follow it up. I'm going to update you until it gets finished. and on the road. This is when we are comparing it with the one that we saw there by days. Yeah. But yeah, the pipe is very big. Here I don't know what car is this, but the engine is down. I think the front is out. But yeah, let's breathe, leave cars. Yeah guys, we just got here. We just got here and I think there's gonna be a spinning session. I don't know. Maybe they've been spinning. Hola. So yeah, apparently I don't know if this is just the chillers or they're going to spin. But I saw a car which spins. I saw a car which spins. Yeah, so guys, after leaving the workshop, I came to Westernburg. They told me that some things might be happening in the side, so which is why I chose to come this side in Westernburg and to come and check out what is happening. I saw a BMW there. Here, there's a gushesha there. I think it has been spin, so they're still gonna spin. Oh, they're done. I don't know. Let's go straight inside and see what's going on. Hi. Hola. Fere. Chef Fere. Who grand? Hola. Bosso. Fere.
Representing.
Hola, my jets. Fere. Bosso. Fere. Numnat. Exenja. Fere. Hola. What is happening today this side?
They're gonna spin, but wind is coming now. Is it? You know it's blocked.
Yeah.
It's coming now.
It's coming to spin. So they've been spinning.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. I will switch. Oh, okay. Then we are not lost. We're gonna enjoy. Sure, gents. We're gonna enjoy the event. Hola. How's it? Sharp. One gate. Hey. Oh, okay. It's time to spin. Sure, boy. It's 3:45. I think, guys, I think they can't spin because the exhaust is out. Like, it's fully out. You see the way it sounds? The exhaust fell. The exhaust fell. guys, I don't think it's gonna spin because the exhaust fell. So he's not having any branch. Like the whole entire branch fell off. The whole entire branch fell off, and yeah, maybe if they put it on, but it's too late, man. It's been a long day. Maybe not. I don't know. Let's keep watching. Katra went home. Katra went home and fetched another car. Understand? So I think it's going to spin. Or maybe they're just passing by. I don't know. But he went and fetched another car because you saw how that one was. Let's just hope. Now they start spinning. Let's hope. This is so. No, that's Katra's dead. Katra is not here. Maybe they were in the same trip from home to come here. Let's see. Let us see. Let's I'm sorry. It's just tired. Just tired. Timer. The guy now. No tata. Nabona. One way. Sure, Wafana Wak. Let's up. Sure, away, boys. Sure. It was not Katra, it was Katra's dad. They used 2 cars to go to the show. So they're also going home. They thought Katra was here spinning, but they didn't know that his car was messed up, and now they're going home. Katra went home and his dad is also going home. They were following each other from Wheels and Smoke. So yeah, guys, we're not gonna have any action on this episode, unfortunately, of it. We would have loved to show you the 252 or Hitler or anything, but next time. Yeah, guys, today unfortunately we won't have any action. I mean, it's either we came late or what, I don't know, but there's not gonna be any action. So I'm heading home. If you don't forget that if you want to be on the show, you can be on this show. From me, Ngubi the entertainer, I'm signing out of it. It was nice showing you the environment.